I wish that I could see you soon. I had no plans to meet you, baby. I had a million things to do, baby, but you hit my heart with a harpoon. I wish that I could see you soon. The angels go, how long till you can see her? And I'm like, the sooner the better. Do you really think she'll wait for you? Well, I have nowhere to say. There's nothing I can do. I have nowhere to say. There's nothing I can do. Go.
Hey.
Now that I am across the sea, I wonder if you're gonna wait for me or if you're gonna find in the gorgeous moon. I wish that I could see you soon, and if you wait a little, my pretty friend, until I come back to hold your hand, we'll be like birds.